What if I told you that the fate of a scientific breakthrough once rested on an accidental sneeze? In 1945, Percy Spencer, an engineer working for Raytheon, was conducting radar experiments when he noticed something astonishing. While standing in front of an active magnetron, the chocolate bar in his pocket began to melt. Intrigued and perplexed, Spencer placed popcorn kernels near the device, watching in amazement as they popped uncontrollably. This unexpected discovery led to the development of the microwave oven, revolutionizing how we cook and reheat food. Imagine the tension as Spencer, driven by curiosity and a sprinkle of serendipity, unraveled the potential of microwave radiation, forever altering our culinary landscape. This unforeseen sneeze of fate, much like Fleming's moldy petri dish, reminds us of the unpredictable nature of scientific advancement and the accidental sparks that light the path to innovation.